I think one of the biggest challenges that our country is starting to face is scrap copper leaving our country. So scrap copper is one of the most critical raw materials for all of our facilities. We can't operate without it. What we see is that there has been a growing trend of exporting our copper scrap to other countries. And, you could spend a lot of time digging into all the reasons why. At the end of the day, we need that to keep us healthy, not just our own individual plants and the people that work for us and the families they support and the communities they support, right? We need all that. But also, why should we be more reliant on other countries that are really putting their own country first? They're not putting the U.S. first. Watching what's going on with the export of scrap, it's really important. And I think there's some action that needs to be taken so that it remains here in our country. We are growing our refining business once again in this country to allow us to take some of the lower grade scrap and refine it and turn it into, anodes and then cathodes that are usable. And so now it's even more important that we have some sort of control going on with the amount of scrap leaving our country, because we surely need it here. You need scrap copper, you need refined copper, you need mined copper, and quite frankly, you're going to still need some fossil fuels as you go through this transition. I think we can get there, but it's going to take time, and you need all the different mechanisms for doing this to come together. When it comes to mining, I think one of the big issues is really the regulatory approval process. It's not an easy one. It takes a long time, a lot of challenges, but certainly these are things that we need to find ways to come together and get through these so that these projects can happen and we can get more copper out of the ground in a safe and sustainable way to be used to meet our long-term goals and have a less reliance on fossil fuels.